How to enable tap and pay UPI just on the Google Pay application here on your Android or iPhone device. Firstly, I just want to let you know that this feature is only available in a very few countries and on a very few devices. Now, we will just understand it how you can do it. Firstly, if you open the Google Pay application in front of you and you don't see an option called tap and pay, so you just need to go to the Google Play Store and check for an update that if your Google Pay application wants an update. So on the Google Play Store, simply search for GPay, and then you have to look out that if there is an update. So I am already updated. Now the second step you have to do is simply follow these steps. I'm going to tell you that when you tap and pay something through UPI, if you have sufficient UPI Lite balance, then it will be used for transaction below 500. So the main thing you have to understand is we can only do it through the feature called UPI Lite, and you can only do a transaction up to 500 at one time in that UPI Lite. Now, ensure that your NFC is turned on. Make sure you have an active UPI payment method. If you plan to use UPI Lite, ensure you have sufficient balance. Now, on the mobile device, open the Google Pay app and then click on Tap and Pay on the home screen. Ensure you are on the UPI tab here. Enter the amount to be paid. Click on Tap Next and then tap your phone on the receiver's NFC-enabled device, that is a machine, and then select the payment method you want to use. Now click on Tap and Pay to complete the transaction. If amount is greater than 500, then you can simply do it. After a successful transaction, you can either close the app or share the screenshot. Thank you so much for watching this video.